Hey, what's up guys? Ali here from Solid Trades. So took a beautiful trade on Meta today. Bought here at the break of pre-market high and then sold into 1-to-1 and 1-to-2 risk to reward ratios and pretty much top ticked. Well, not really top ticked, but pretty much sold on the top before I had a massive crash. And I've made multiple videos on a pre-market strategy before, but I've got one most common question, and the question was, hey, it does not work all the time. So the pre-market break does not work all the time. What are the other things we need to look into? So that's what I'm going to talk about in this. So I'm going to do a trade recap, and I'm going to talk about why why a trade took this pre-market but not any other pre-market. So why was this a better candidate for a pre-market break? Okay, so let's look into this. So let's go and look at Meta here. So this was the trade. So this is the 5-minute chart here at the bottom. Okay, and this is the top is the 15-minute chart. Let's do 15-minute. Okay, so this is the 15-minute and this is the daily chart. So it always starts from the daily, number one. And basically look here, the daily chart was actually making all-time highs, and it's a really strong trend falling. It's an up strong trend, and today there's nothing at the back. So the price has never traded this before, so it's been making all-time highs. So that's very, very bullish. Number two is that if you look here and if you make it more closer, look here, the previous day candle yesterday, this was a hammer candle. When this hammer candle, like that looks like a hammer, it's also a very bullish candle. Hammer means that it's bullish, it's very strong. That's what hammer candle means. And the opposite actually means that it's weak. Okay, so here there's one hammer here, there's one hammer here yesterday. So today there's a very high chance if it breaks out, it's gonna have a really good squeeze. But not just that, the main reason why I took this trade, so basically the trade was this. Okay, the trade was the break of this pre-market. So this was a pre-market level right here. There's a break. As soon as it breaks right here, you enter right here the pre-market, and then boom, immediate push. Just you're done in 10 minutes of the market. Okay, but the main reason why I took this was because of the last 2 days. So notice here what happened. The stock had a massive push, and the next day what happened, it did not go down. So basically what this means, this is like a flag pattern. So it goes up and then consolidates and then breaks out. So this is a flag, okay, and then today it breaks out. So it's like a flag pattern. It works amazingly. So what I do always is that when I'm looking to trade pre-market breaks, which is the pre-market break right here, the break of pre-market right here, I'm always looking to see what happened the day before. If there's a consolidation, which is this consolidation right here, in a strong positive, so it had a very strong bull run and then followed by a consolidation day, the next day there's a very high chance of the stock breaking out. Sometimes what happens is that the stock consolidates and then consolidates again, and then if it breaks out, boom. Okay, so what I did was I actually was just waiting. Before the market opened, I had my stop order sitting right here, which means if it goes above this level, buy me. And then I had my bracket order. So basically it automatically I did not do anything. It was just automatic. I wasn't even watching it. But if it breaks, then buy me and then take profits on the way up. Okay, so 3 lessons. Number 1 is the very good daily chart. Okay, if this was right here, I wouldn't have done it because there will be a lot of resistance on top, so I wouldn't have traded this. Second is the consolidation the day before and a big push on the day before that, so which makes it a flag pattern. So it makes a flag pattern. Okay, and third is the break of the pre-market. So the pre-market level, which is this level, the pre-market high area. So if I just zoom this in right here, so this was the high of the pre-market level, and if it breaks right here, boom, goes up. Here's let me show you a few more examples, which was part of the watch list today. By the way, I put watch list in my Discord channel every single morning. At least when I'm trading, the days I'm trading, I put a watch list, so for free. So make sure to check that Discord out. But right here, so the break of pre-market level right here on QNTM. So this is a break of pre-market, and it broke out and then tested this level, and then boom. Let's look another one. What happened? Oh yeah, this one just I did not get it. Oh my god, look at this, crazy. It was part of my watch list, but it just never came. I mean, it just, what happened was I had my break of pre-market sitting right here, and then right before pre-market, look here what happened. It just popped up, and then it just kept going. So I thought that it was gonna come down, I'm gonna buy here and then go, but it just never came down. So I had my order sitting right here, it just never came down. I just kept going and I missed a huge one. So anyways, so the pre-market level is where it's at. I don't normally buy all the pre-markets, but it has to have a very good daily chart. And when I say a very good daily chart, one of the key things for having a very good daily chart is if you look on the left side, there is no candle, so there's no action, it's empty. And the reason why it works so well, or why we look for empty area, is because it means nobody ever bought the stock here before, right? So there's no seller, so when the stock goes up, nobody ever bought the stock, so it means nobody's gonna sell the stock. That's why there is a more buying pressure and less selling pressure. There's less sellers pretty much, and people like us are buying too. So that's one of the main reason why you want to look for a stock that is making all-time highs, or it's in a very bullish. Okay, it means less people are willing to sell the stock. So that's it, guys, the break of pre-market level. I'll put a video down below as well of a pre-market level complete strategy, and I think that would help you guys really well. And let me know in the comments below if you like this setup or this video, and I'll talk to you guys later. Take care, bye.